Space is cold due to several fundamental physical principles related to the nature of heat transfer and the environment of space itself. Here are the main reasons why space is cold. 1. Lack of atmosphere. Space is a near vacuum, meaning it has extremely low density and lacks an atmosphere. On Earth, the atmosphere acts as an insulating layer, trapping heat from the sun and distributing it. In space, there is no medium, like air, to retain and transfer heat, leading to extremely low temperatures. 2. Heat transfer mechanisms. There are three main ways heat is transferred: conduction, convection, and radiation. The first one is conduction, which means heat transfer through direct contact of molecules. In space, the lack of molecules means conduction is virtually non-existent. The second is convection, which means heat transfer through the movement of fluids, liquids, or gases. In space, there are no fluids to move and carry heat. The third is radiation. The only way heat can transfer in space is through radiation, which is the emission of energy as electromagnetic waves. Objects in space can gain heat from the sun's radiation, but can also lose heat by radiating it away into the vast emptiness of space. 3. Distance from heat sources. Space is vast, and objects are generally far from heat sources like stars. Without proximity to a heat source, objects in space do not receive much thermal energy and therefore remain cold. 4. Radiative cooling. Objects in space lose heat by radiating it away. Since space is so empty, the heat radiates into the vast expanse without being absorbed by surrounding material, leading to cooling. 5. Background temperature. The average temperature of space is dictated by the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a remnant of the Big Bang. This background radiation corresponds to a temperature of about 2.7 Kelvin, about minus 207.4 Fs, or Bajan 454.1 Bfarad, which is extremely cold. 6. Lack of insulation. On Earth, various materials and the atmosphere act as insulators, helping to retain heat. In space, there is nothing to provide such insulation, so any heat that an object has is quickly radiated away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.